Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 19th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the Aussie dollar, mostly because of correlated dollar pairs like the dollar index and the other dollar pairs, I think that we have the completion of a running A, B, C correction. Now, it's a running ABC correction because we have a higher high wave B compared to the wave 5, and we have a higher high wave C compared to the wave A. So, a running ABC, or you could call it a running WXY because it does look like a possible 333. Either way, I think this nice impulsive upbreaker structure is the end of a pullback. I think this right here is like a wave one. This is a wave two. Nice 78% fib bounce. I think this is going to start making its way up in an impulsive move for a wave three, most likely taking out the previous highs. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, nice impulsive down. Corrective up, impulsive down, Fibonacci bounce, nice impulsive up, nice corrective down, higher low, higher low. Looks to me like this right here is the end of a pullback, and hopefully it's the end of a wave two, and hopefully it's going to now be making higher highs, higher lows on this 1 hour time frame for a wave three, which is great news because anytime we do see a pullback and a higher low starting to form, we can try to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.